Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can buy stocks in Google Finance. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to google.com/finance on your web browser, and once you're in the screen that I'm showing you, go to the top right and click on sign in. From here, you're going to choose the account that you want to buy stocks from. Now, once you're in this screen, click here on the Add New Portfolio, and then put a portfolio name, and click on Save. From here, as you can see, we don't have any investments yet, so we're going to add one. So click on Add Investments, and then search for all the stocks that you want to buy, or investments that you want to do. Let's say I'm going to click on Bitcoin for USD. Now, you're going to input the quantity, and then you're going to input the exact purchase date. And by doing that, you will see the exact purchase price right here. After this, you can either save or save and add another. Once you click on Save, you would see you now have an investment shown right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!